Today's video, we're going to be getting rid of this junk TRX transmission and motor and putting in this brand spanking new Injora one. Alright, let's get into it. First thing you do, take out screws here and here, then the 4 screws around the transmission, then the one screw for this drive shaft and the other screw for this drive shaft. And then pull the wire from the motor out of that. Then you have to take the one screw out of this. Now this is out, we can put this one in. Now we gotta put the drive shaft back on, put it in there, then screw the screw in. And once you do that, stick it back in this way. Then plop the transmission in there, attach this drive shaft, and screw it in. And then put this wire right here back through this and connect it into there and screw your transmission down. And by the way, it does come with screws with the transmission. And screw down those 2 screws in your battery tray and then you're ready to rock. Now we got it in. I'll take it outside, do a speed run, and see how good the torque is. 2.6 miles an hour. Speed good. Alright, let's see. 1.4. That's full slow crawl right there. Pretty impressive.